So hello everyone. So let's have our first part for the introduction about our topic dealing with the formulation of your research topic under the quantitative approach. So without further ado, let's try to have the introduction by answering the following question. Remember that most of the time, or let's say in some cases, when the research student ask for the approval of the research topic to his or her research advisor, there are some cases that it is being rejected by the research advisor because of some possible reasons behind that situation. So one way for us to achieve our goal, which is to accept our research topic, is that your research topic should be researchable. So when do we say that a topic is researchable? So your research topic is researchable if the knowledge and information that can be found about your research topic is actually supported by evidences that are considered to be observable, logical, and factual. So let's try to write it first so that we can understand the concept. So to repeat once more, a topic is researchable if your topic, okay, so take note, if your topic, it consists of knowledge and information that are actually supported by evidences. Take note, there should have evidences in which these evidences should be, number one, observable. Observable. Okay? So you have the term observable. So observable, from the root word observe, meaning to say, it can be perceived by our five major senses, and recall that observation is an integral part of data collection procedure. So data cannot exist without observation. Okay? So it is one way for you to gather data through observation. That's why your research topic should be observable. Okay? So that you can generate more data, most especially in the case of quantitative and qualitative research. Second, it must be based from facts. So, we have the word factual. Okay, so supported by empirical knowledge, that is through experimentation and observation. Hence, we use the term factual. Factual meaning to say it is more scientific. And then, it should be logical. Logical meaning to say you can formulate conclusion through reasoning. Okay, so it is possible that you can analyze a problem through reasoning, which is part of the scientific attitude. So this is the process for you to say that your topic is researchable. Okay, recall that this is one of the main concerns among the research students. There are some cases that their research topic was actually rejected by the research advisor or their panelists, for instance, because there are some cases that their topic is not researchable. So for you to say that it is actually researchable, it must be supported by evidences which are observable, factual, and logical. So factual, to add some more, factual meaning to say it can be supported by RRLS, or Review of Related Literature and Studies. So based from what you've learned in your junior high school days. Okay? So that is the meaning of the topic that is considered to be researchable.